I'm John Murphy, one of the performance instructors for Fuel, and today in this Be Your Best Bud, I'm going to talk a little bit about something called FMEA, Failure Mode and Effect Analysis. It's a tool that we use in Change Mastery to essentially eliminate or at least mitigate any risks associated with change. Now, I run change events, Kaizen events all over the world, and a lot of these involve some very significant change. Uh, which you might expect some resistance to, like, whoa, really, we're going to do that? But every team I work with, we do an FMEA before we propose any changes. And the simple version of that is to say, what could go wrong? How serious is this? How likely is this? And what can we do to mitigate it or eliminate it? What countermeasures can we come up with so that it doesn't go wrong? And that the higher risk is to actually not change, to stay where we are. So try FMEA on any change you're considering. What could go wrong? How serious? How likely? And what's really the risk? And what can I do to make sure that that doesn't happen? And in coming up with foolproof plans, so to speak, it takes a lot of the pressure off, and change becomes a whole lot easier. That's change mastery.